If you grew up in the Colorado area or the Denver area, Longmont was never really a community on the map from an investor's standpoint. But that has changed as well now because of the overall growth we've seen in so many submarkets. So there are a couple benefits, we believe, of considering Longmont as an investment city. Benefit number one, it's a very diverse real estate product, meaning there's a lot of Class A brand new stuff that's gone up, there's Class B stuff, and there's Class C stuff. So it does present an opportunity for investors. You can find whatever you want to find in the Longmont area. You can go for the high-end stuff, you can go for the mid stuff, you can go for the low-income stuff. In a diverse economic base from a housing standpoint is a good sign of long-term overall price appreciation. Number two, very close location to Boulder and the mountains. Right? I mean, Boulder is a little bubble city that just does fabulously well if you can own in there, but people that can't afford there but want to be close to it move to Longmont oftentimes. So Longmont has become a kind of almost a sub-market of the Boulder area, and it's so close to good amenities in Boulder and by the mountains. Number three, excellent community amenities. So it offers a lot. The city of Longmont has done quite a bit to offer different amenities in that specific area, which is benefiting renters, attracting renters, which thereby attracts investors. Now, a couple of negatives. Number one, it does have a fair amount of new multifamily Class A construction. Is Longmont overbuilding right now? No, but could they? Yes, if they continue on. So they've got to be a little bit cautious. They've got to make sure they don't overbuild their Class A stuff, because this is a classic first sign of overbuilding is too much new multifamily Class A stuff. So I wouldn't necessarily be a buyer of a Class A condo in the Longmont area. I think single family is very safe, but townhomes, condos, I'd be a little cautious of in the Longmont area. Negative number two is that your cap rate's a little bit lower as compared to some other areas because prices are rising. Rents haven't kicked up yet. They're kicking up. They are coming up high, but they're lagging just a little bit as compared to some of the other areas that you could consider as an investor. So overall, we give the Longmont area a B. We think it's a solid area because it is such a diverse stock of housing in a diverse submarket within a submarket. You've got to be cautious within the areas you buy in Longmont. So if you want to know what those submarkets are that we kind of like in Longmont and the ones that we recommend investors stay away from, reach out to us, give us a call. We'd be happy to give you more specific information and details on investing and holding real estate in the Longmont area.